Hello there. Welcome back. In the last video, we learned about event bubbling. This is a continuation video. If you haven't watched the last video, please watch it first. The link will be in the description. In this video, we'll learn what event capture is. When we have event listeners on nested elements and click on a child element, event bubbling occurs, triggering all the event listeners. In event bubbling, the order is from child to parent, whereas in event capture, the order is reversed from parent to child. We can also use event capture to prioritize which event triggers first. I'll demonstrate this using the same code I used to explain event bubbling. If we pass capture true to the div element's event listener, the event listener for the div element will be triggered first. Our parent element is div, and its child is button. Since we pass capture true to the div element, when the button is clicked, the div element's event listener is triggered first. If we pass capture true to the body element's event listener as well, the body's listener will be triggered first, followed by the div element's listener, since we've passed capture true for both. This will happen from parent to child, unlike event bubbling. I hope you've understood this. Thanks for watching.